Hi, I'm Mike with Autel. In this video, I'm going to introduce and unbox the brand new Maxi IM KM100 key tool. This key tool can help you generate new keys for your clients. If you are ready, let's go. Whenever you want to add new keys, you will need original dealer keys to pair it with the vehicle. This key tool turns blank keys into those original keys that you can then pair with your vehicle. When you open the box, you'll notice you get two blank keys. One has the Autel logo on the back and the other does not. They have different styles too. To buy more blank keys, contact your local Autel dealer. Here is the Android-based touchscreen device. Power it on and see what the apps are like. We can perform key generation, key cloning, mobilizer pairing, simulation, data processing, and key adjustments all from this tablet. I'll save those functions for other videos. Also included is a VCI, so you can perform key simulation and key learning after generating a key. A USB cable is included to help transfer data from the device to a laptop. This cable is used to renew old keys. And finally, here is the power adapter. The key tool is an innovative tool that can help you take blank keys and generate keys for you and your customers' vehicles. For more information on how to use the Maxi IM KM100 key tool, check out our other videos on the Autel YouTube channel. I'm Mike, thank you for watching.